Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a progress tracker UI using custom shapes in Photoshop. First, I open Photoshop and create a horizontal canvas. Then I draw a long, rounded rectangle as the progress bar base. Now I overlay smaller filled shapes to show progress. After that, I add circular checkpoints along the bar. Next, I place numbers inside each circle. Now I highlight the active step with a bright color. Then I reduce opacity on inactive steps. After that, I add small labels below each checkpoint. Now progress feels clear. Then I zoom out to test readability. After that, I refine spacing between steps. Now the tracker feels intuitive. Finally, I adjust colors for clarity. This tracker now explains